sa balik mo wala pa. Kita mo kayo? Payag eh.
Time to please stand by because a while ago we will start the contest for this year's Bangkarera at exactly 10. So a few minutes from now we will start the contest. And for those who wala pa ka-register, kindly register now. Aliran diri sa table na ato ang mga wapo diri nga mga organizers.
May puangot.
Team Bugsay. Sa Bugsay, wala pa ka-register, pa-register na diri. And sa ato ang mga participating team across the Negros Island region, among gihangyo sa makausag sa pag-register diri sa atong registration table area. And again, requesting our rescue team Tayasan to please stand by for a few moments from now. We will start this exciting event as part and one of the highlights for the Philippine Army. Ako'y 4701B, 31B, and we have PCPL Ben Rainier A. Cabanag of 704 RMFB Negros Island region.
Kamay ra, pero pila ka kayo. Tungod kay 18 kabalyo sa 16.
So we will just like wait 30 minutes pa more of waiting, and we will be 25. We have our Bugsay Racing local, exclusive only for our beloved mga pinalangga ng mga Tayasanon, where the champion will receive 3,000 pesos. Our Formula 22 HP below, the champion will receive 30,000 pesos. Our second will receive 20,000 pesos. Our third will receive 10,000 pesos. And the Ashay additional prize